connect the people with the need with the people who have capacity to support those needs. My name is Amit Sheth. I am a professor of computer science and engineering, the LexisNexis Ohio Eminent Scholar at Wright State University. There is this series of applications that we are working on that involve social data and other data on the web. In this context also, there is a issue of big data. There is a challenge of big data. Specifically, take the example of a crisis or disasters. In Hurricane Sandy context, let's say an example, it occurred towards the end of 2012. But for the entire year of 2012, it was the second most discussed event on Facebook. In the very first week of Hurricane Sandy related, that event, there were 20 million tweets that just talked about those specific keywords related to hurricane and Sandy. You might have seen, for example, that there was overabundance of clothes, and you want to know no more clothes. We don't need clothes, for example, during Hurricane Sandy or after Hurricane Sandy. But there is a need for example, medical help, or there is a need for water or clean water. And there are many people who are willing to help. There are many agencies that are involved here, government agencies, and by connecting them, people who need and people who are willing to support, you can really achieve much better result, much faster, less wastage, and so on and so forth. In the context of Hurricane Sandy, New York City has put up this open government data. In this case, data about all the subway entrances in the New York metro area. So when there is a tweet that talks about a subway station being flooded, if we can correlate the location of the tweet with the proximity of any of the subway stations, then you can assess that maybe this tweet is by somebody who is actually observing and not just somebody who is imagining. Right? And these are very important things you need to know. We are working on real data. We are working with people who can help us understand the real need, and then our technological solutions can really bridge two things. And so we are able to see whether our work can actually make an impact.